guys, welcome back. We are actually looking at Netflix right now. Netflix on a weekly time frame. Netflix has its earnings due on Tuesday, and we have Greg here to give us his opinion on the asset. As you guys can see, it's moving a lot. Go ahead, Greg. You started off this time.
Yeah, so Netflix about $40. It's Friday, got earnings on Tuesday. I am just expecting about a $35 move each way. So for bulls, we got to be expecting to or lose somewhere around 35 per share. And I think that Netflix is at about a 50 vol if you exit it. So in terms of next year, yeah, could be a 200 or 600, but in next couple weeks or earnings. So,
Gotcha. I see I already lost the 200, and we're under the 200. We're lost it. We are basically shot again. This week, if we lose $334, then we're gonna trying to bump the $250 area. Then I like to start my accumulation in the hopes that that's gonna bounce. When this happens, if I have here $200 to $250 area, I will be taking my profit immediately at this $420 area. Okay, and then it might even be a little bit lower to right around, I want to say 350. 350, I will start taking off. So basically, if I'm accumulating, starting my dot cost average of my long in net 350, I'm going to start removing my maybe half of my position on 350 with the stop loss at my entry. In case this goes up to the 21 and gets rejected, I'll be out of my position with minimal loss, and I'll already be in profit with half of my position, and I'm getting out at entry on my stop loss. So I basically am not losing at all in this trade if I take it. And I'm only going to be taking a long. I'm not taking short because I feel like it's already been extended. Sellers are declining slowly. So what I'm going to be patient for is I'm going to look at daily with you guys. I'm going to look at a 4 hour, and then let's see if we can time our entry perfectly for this asset. And you see this gap open right here. This gap down is another great area to start taking profit. That's all the way to $500 area. We don't know if we're going to have an amazing earnings and then the stock just shoots already been in position. And if we do, I will start taking my profit right away at 400. Then I'm going to start taking at 450. Then I'm going to start taking it at 500. And that's what these EMA are. Exactly. I want to ladder up my position. I'm going to go on the 4 hour, and we're going to zoom in even more because the daily is closing outside the bullish band. So Monday we can open up to selling pressure. Tuesday's earnings, surprise, surprise, might be up at the fact that the earnings is good. So be careful on Monday. If you're trying to get into this position, slowly ladder in. Keep in mind that the low is at 330. If it goes under 330, look to accumulate on those lower ranges that I put out earlier. And it just starts going up. And keep in mind that you want to keep your allocation small at the 21, which is at $350 area, until you can be sure that we're going to go to test the 100 and the 200.
they're expecting about 2 point share. Last Q4 in 2021 cents. So that was estimates are supposed to be right around. So I would expect, say probably they miss, we've seen.
Yeah, I think your $30 jump is definitely to like start taking some profit if I entered at 250. But if I'm entering right here on this side, yeah, definitely around the 350, $360 area. That's where the 55 is on a 4 hour. And then the Bollinger Band and the 100 EMA is at like around 390. So definitely around 390, I want to start seeing this. I'm entering the as well.
365 calls right around 12 bucks Friday. So 365's 30 bucks. If you're probably for right on the same amount.
That's Netflix for you guys. Security. Earnings once again is on Tuesday, and that's online. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for notifications. We're gonna give you guys
ask questions in the comments too.
definitely questions or concerns. Leave a comment below. Contact information is also below, so feel free to reach out. And then we will keep updated on the newsletter that's coming out soon.